So let's see the OS version. This is like on the Big Sur, so a lot of things doesn't fully support it on like the latest version of the M1 Mac yet. Normally if we install it from the homebrew, it should work, but because it's like the latest version, so things are a little bit different. So let's take their suggestion and actually install it from source. That means it's pretty much going to clone this repo. It's going to do another make step, trying to compile all the things from the repo directly. But unfortunately, this one will also fail because it wasn't fully supported yet. And according to their official GitHub, they're going to release this one with the latest version of Go 1.16, which is aiming in February. So it's actually like a month to go. Yeah, now it's failing. Okay, so it's complaining about like it doesn't have this kind of path access, no such file or directory, and if that means we probably need to digging a little bit more into their like Kubernetes repo. So what we need to do first is to clone the Kubernetes repo like this. This one is probably going to take a while, but because I already have a repo cloned, as you can probably tell. So let's just see, we have cloned this repo, and eventually we need to go to some file called hack/lib golang.shell. And if you go here, this is pretty much like a shell which has like all the supported platforms and their versions. And scrolling down, we need to find something called kube supported client platforms. On line 52 here, adding your latest OS version for us because this is an M1 Mac, so it's Darwin ARM64. After you finish this step, make sure you save it. So our next step will just be trying to make it. Under this directory, there's also like a make file, so we're just going to skip the process. The make file will trying to compile all these files. Okay, so once it's finished, you should be able to run the kubectl command